Hi, my baby. Hey there, beautiful people. It's your girl Bethel, and today I am going to the farm. The farm is one of my best places to be, and I know this is kind of open, but I'm going to have a jacket on top. Much better. So this is my outfit for the day. Yeah, because now it's adjusted properly. Cute hat, I got it from my mom. Love it. And I'm going to be taking you through farm day. And these are my handyman babies. I use them for the farm. And I got them from Bata a few years ago. They work perfectly. And these are my essentials while going to the farm. I have a Toblerone bar to keep my sugar levels up, and a bit of Romani creams. Those are just snacks. And my power bank over there, my pass, my headphones for some entertainment, a pair of sunglasses. But wait, I think I forgot something. There it is, guys. It's called Kanga Lasu. Different names go for it in different local languages, but I just carry one with me every time I'm going to the farm to wrap around myself and prevent grass from rubbing on my legs. So yeah, these are my essentials from my bag. This is what I carry when I'm going to the farm. So let's go! Have an exciting day ahead of us, guys. Hey my people, so this is my outfit for the day. Cute little boots, like a dress, and then yeah, I could have done pants, but the issue with pants is it's a hot day and I'm not interested in being into the whole kind of hot environment. Well, it's going to be so hot anyway. So this is what I decided to put on, and you already saw my essentials in my bag. Hopefully, I think we'll get drinks on the way. And yeah, I think my favorite part of being at a farm is actually the animals. I love the animals. They're actually the ones that keep me busy all the time while at the farm, so yay! I guess the recommended look that I would recommend is just a little lip gloss. I guess that's enough. Sunscreen and my little jewelry over here. I guess that's perfect for the eye pack. You can use an eye shutter as a mask in case you don't have a mask, and that's what I used. Hey guys, so this was a 2-hour drive. And I really think that the countryside is very beautiful. Just if you agree with me, just hit me up in the comment section, because I enjoy going to the countryside, and I think our country, Uganda, is very beautiful. For you guys who have not been to Uganda and you're probably watching my YouTube channel, you should definitely come to Uganda. There is so much green and it is so beautiful. Point we were off the tarmac and the road was a little bit bumpy, but oh well, still bright and beautiful. So this is a neighboring farm to the farm that we visited. It's all fenced, sitting on 40 acres. They do banana plantations, coffee, and ducks. Yeah, ducks, you heard me right. What is up, you guys? So let's go see the pigs. So, you guys, these are like wild hogs. So if you know pigs, they're like the ones which are raised at home, but these are more like homestead hogs. So you guys, the mother unfortunately ran away from me, so I wasn't able to film her, but I got one of the younger ones. Okay guys, so I found the little guy, but I can't go close to him because I think he'll run away from me. I don't know if you can see him. So, Chronicles of a banana plantation. Guys, bananas are the staple food of the people in the central region. Most of the tribes in Uganda like to eat bananas as their staple food. So this is what a banana tree looks like. Small yellow bananas, which are also called ndizi in my local language. This is their banana plantain. Oh, this is the plant. So we're like in a plantation. It has grown a little crowded because of grass. Yeah, this over here. I don't know if you can see it. This is supposed to be cut off. So you do like ta-da! Oh god. Alright. And there it is. If you keep it on, it makes the plant sick. So you have to take it off. Guys, it is so beautiful out here. So I'm thinking, you know, there's this new concept I came across called forest bathing. And I am wondering, do you guys know about forest bathing? It's basically just walking through nature, and scientists say that it's apparently supposed to make you feel a lot more fresh. And honestly, I can testify to that because from when I came, I am actually feeling a lot fresher. Anyway, I think I just love the countryside. So just in the comment section, go ahead and give me a thumbs up or just comment anything if you think the countryside is especially much more beautiful than city life. And at this point in time, it was time to eat food and my battery died. You can imagine the frustration. Anyway, we had luwombo matoke. It was a delicacy of cultural meals that we enjoyed and shared with the people that I was with, and I just took a few pictures of the internet for you guys to see what the traditional meals around here look like. So I was unable to record the other animals because of time, but I hope you like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.